In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Android phone to Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, regardless of whichever Android phone that you have. So on your Android phone, what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to show your control panel, and you're going to see a lot of different options. Now, just make sure your TV and your phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and this is how the connection is actually going to be established. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and press Smart View right there, and it's not focusing, but as you can see, it says 65-inch OLED. Go ahead and click on, whatever your TV says. So I'm going to go ahead and click on mine right now. It says start mirroring with Smart View. So I could have multi-view if I want to, or I could just go ahead and do full screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press full screen right there if it works. And then I'm going to go ahead and press start now. It's then going to be connecting, and it says enter the pin shown on the TV screen. So I see my pin right there. So I just want to go ahead and type it in right now. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in, go ahead and press connect. It's then going to be connecting. Just wait for the connection to fully established. And then as you can see, it says connecting right there. Now it's brought me back to my phone screen, and now I can literally swipe across and everything, and my phone screen is being displayed. I can really just do whatever I want, and I can even go in landscape mode if I want to as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.